shitty cars, shopping trips, reviews on games, giving my grass the snare. Welcome to late night news.
Alright guys, today we're going to be looking at installing this wrong seatbelt buckle. It does click in, I've checked it out, so it's just about securing it. So yeah, don't mind the car right now, she's in a bit of a state, but she is my daily driver to work. So we're just going to start by taking off this side plate here. This side plate here. And then we should be able to access, I don't really want to take off this table. So there's our prize. Sorry for the shitty ass view. So there's our prize. So there's our prize. So this is a little thing. I've just taken off that one screw. So that's just a Phillips head. And I just use this rattle gun here. Bit of overkill, I know, but here's what this is. And then we're just going to look at taking this off here. And hopefully replacing it pretty quickly. So this is the new parts bolt. And this is the all parts bolt. One quick little zap with the rattle gun. Yeah, typical me, I always go around the sun to get to the moon. So yeah, come around the back. Make life a bit easier. Slap it in place. And yeah, just one little screw back on. So pretty much all safe again for the sake of 80 bucks and bloody one screw, one bolt. Alright, so moment of truth. I did end up giving the vehicle a quick little wipe down actually, and a quick vacuum after seeing the state of it on camera. But yeah, moment of truth. She's all been installed, plastic's been reinstalled. It is actually kind of wobbly, you don't realise because you never touch it. But you want it to be tough as well, so no, that's all good. Put a little bit of WD-40 in there, as well as while I was doing that, I had the can in my hand. I did all the ones that came with the car, obviously, or the pre-existing ones, because yeah, you don't want it to be too bloody rusty. I don't want any more of them to fall apart, because it was a pain in the ass trying to get this. I lied, the first wrecker I had one, Cold had one, but it was 88 bucks. You know, I was like, it's a piece of plastic with a couple of springs in it. Anyway, they're going for 120 on eBay, so you can't complain.